Does your car feel a little outdated? Or are you just bored with the same old interior vibe? We've rounded up 3 gadgets designed to instantly refresh your driving experience. These picks aren't about flashy gimmicks, they focus on practical convenience and giving your ride a modern, cleaner look without the dealership price tag. We're covering everything from a satisfying way to restore worn-out details to smart upgrades that completely transform your cabin atmosphere. If you see something you like, check the links in the description for availability. Let's jump straight into number 3. Number 3 is for anyone who loves those oddly satisfying restoration clips. Just look at this difference. We've all watched shiny trim slowly turn into that cloudy, faded gray over time. This paste helps clean up that oxidation fast. You dip the sponge, work it over the dull chrome or window trim, and it honestly looks like you're wiping away a foggy layer. You can actually see the reflection coming back as you go. It's surprisingly satisfying to use. Instead of looking at stained, weathered details, your trim looks noticeably cleaner and sharper again. It's a simple way to refresh your car's appearance without replacing parts. If small details matter to you, this is worth checking out. You can find the link in the description. Number 2 is for anyone who wants their car interior to feel a little more cosmic. His gadget drops right into your cup holder and instantly changes the vibe inside the cabin. You'll see a soft mist releasing to keep things fresh. But the real highlight is the lighting. There's an RGB ring around the edge that reacts to your music. Plus, a projector on top that casts a starry sky across your ceiling. It feels way more modern than a basic hanging air freshener. It's wireless and uses vibration sensors to turn on automatically when you start driving. So there's nothing to fiddle with. You can also adjust the projection angle to spread the stars exactly where you want them, which makes night drives feel extra atmospheric. If you're into mood lighting while you drive, this one's worth a look. Check the link in the description. And at number 1, this might be the most satisfying trim revival I've seen. If your car has those chalky white spots on the chrome watch, this isn't just a basic cleaner, it's a resurfacing paste. You take the included sponge, dip it in, and work it over that dull, oxidized trim. It feels a bit like polishing shoes. You massage the paste in, wipe it off with a towel, and the cloudy buildup just lifts away, revealing that mirror-like finish underneath. It's wild how much age this removes in under a minute. From window strips to emblems to the grille, it brings back that factory-style shine without replacing a single part. Honestly, it's one of the easiest DIY glow-ups you can give your car. Don't let oxidation dull your ride. Check the link in the description to see if it's available. Hopefully, this list gave you some fresh ideas for your next car upgrade. You can find the direct links to check availability right in the description below if you want to see more cool finds like this.